Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of organization with a detailed comparison of the top 5 best Dymo label makers available on the market. Whether you're organizing your home, your office, or your business, I've got you covered. You can find the links to each product in the description below, so let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Dymo letratag 100H Plus, a budget-friendly option designed for light, everyday use. This compact and lightweight handheld label maker is perfect for labeling items around your home or office. It comes with a graphical display that lets you preview fonts and text effects before printing, which is a nice touch for this price point. You can choose from 5 font sizes, 7 print styles, and 8 box styles, giving you plenty of customization options. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold, with a straightforward interface that makes creating labels a breeze. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, which means no messy wires, and includes a paper label cassette and a magnetic holder, making it an excellent starter kit. However, the build quality feels a little lightweight, so it's not ideal for heavy-duty use. The thermal printing technology ensures crisp results, though it's limited to monochrome output. For just $24.99, the letratag 100H Plus is a fantastic value for those looking for a no-frills label maker that gets the job done. It's best suited for personal use, like labeling jars, kids' school supplies, or craft projects. That said, it doesn't offer advanced features like USB connectivity or high-speed printing, so it may not meet the needs of professionals or businesses. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, while cons are its limited durability and slower printing speed. Coming in at number 4, the Dymo letratag 100T bundle is an excellent mid-range option for home and office organization. Unlike the handheld letratag 100H, this model features a desktop-friendly design with a QWERTY keyboard, making it ideal for users who prefer a more stable typing experience. It supports 2-line printing and offers 5 font sizes, 7 print styles, and 8 box styles, giving you plenty of flexibility to personalize your labels. One of its standout features is the 13-character LCD display, which allows you to preview your designs before printing. The bundle includes black-on-white and black-on-clear label cassettes, so you can get started right out of the box. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the letratag 100T is portable, but keep in mind that batteries are not included. Build quality is solid for the price range, and the keys are tactile and responsive. However, it's worth noting that this model lacks connectivity features like USB or Bluetooth. At $41.47, the letratag 100T offers a significant step up from the 100H Plus in terms of usability and versatility. It's a great choice for users who need a reliable label maker for occasional use, such as office organization or labeling storage bins. Pros include its easy-to-use keyboard and robust customization options, while cons are its reliance on batteries and lack of advanced connectivity. At number 3, we have the Dymo LabelManager 160 Portable Label Maker Bundle. This model strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it a popular choice for both personal and professional use. It's compact, lightweight, and features a QWERTY keyboard along with one-touch smart keys, allowing for quick and easy formatting. You can customize your labels with over 20 text formats and more than 200 symbols, ensuring your labels are as unique as your needs. The bundle includes 3 D1 label cassettes, which is a fantastic value add. The LabelManager 160 uses thermal printing technology, so there's no need for ink or toner, and the labels come out crisp and professional looking. It also features an automatic power-off function to save energy when not in use. The build quality is sturdy, and the large display makes it easy to preview your text before printing. However, it's worth mentioning that it lacks USB or Bluetooth connectivity, so all input must be done directly on the device. At $59.61, the LabelManager 160 is an excellent choice for users who want more customization options and better build quality than entry-level models without breaking the bank. It's perfect for small businesses office use, or anyone who needs a portable and reliable label maker. Pros include its ease of use, robust feature set, and great value bundle, while cons are its lack of connectivity and slightly slower printing speed. Our runner-up is the Dymo letratag 100H silver handheld label maker, a versatile and highly portable option that's great for on-the-go labeling. This model is similar to the letratag 100H Plus, but offers a slightly sleeker design and enhanced usability. It features the same customization options, including 5 font sizes, 7 print styles, and 8 box styles, and also comes with a clear preview on its graphical display. What sets this model apart is its lightweight design and the inclusion of an LT paper label cassette, which makes it a convenient choice for quick labeling tasks. It's powered by 4 AA batteries, so while it's portable, you'll need to keep spares on hand for extended use. Like other letratag models, it uses thermal printing technology, which ensures consistent results without the need for ink or toner. However, it's worth noting that while this product is ideal for casual use, it may not suit heavy-duty tasks or professional settings. This model's price is currently unavailable, but based on its design and features, it's a solid mid-range option. It's best suited for home organization, such as labeling pantry items, school supplies, or storage bins. Pros include its sleek design and portability, while cons are its battery reliance and limited functionality compared to higher-end models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dymo labelwriter 550 Turbo Label Printer Bundle, the premium choice for high-speed professional labeling. This model is designed for businesses and advanced users who need efficient and reliable performance. With its direct thermal printing technology, you'll never have to worry about buying ink or toner. It also features automatic label recognition, so you always know what type of label is loaded and how many are left. The labelwriter 550 Turbo is incredibly fast, printing up to 90 labels per minute, which is 45% faster than the standard 550 model. It supports LAN connectivity, allowing multiple users to access the printer, a game changer for busy office environments. The build quality is excellent, with a sleek, modern design that fits seamlessly into professional settings. The bundle includes address labels and multi-purpose labels to get you started right away. At $209.27, this model is a significant investment, but it's worth every penny for businesses that require high-volume labeling. It's perfect for e-commerce shipping, visitor management, or industrial applications. Pros include its speed, connectivity, and professional-grade features, while cons are its higher price point and reliance on proprietary label rolls. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect Dymo label maker for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy labeling, and I'll see you in the next video.